Welcome back to Star Biker, your go-to channel for the latest bike reviews and two-wheeler insights. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Yamaha State Route 450, a bike that blends retro charm with modern engineering. Let's explore what makes this new Yamaha stand out in the mid-range segment. Design and styling. The 2025 Yamaha State Route 450 pays homage to its classic roots while embracing a refreshed, minimalist design. It features a teardrop fuel tank, a round LED headlamp, and a flat seat that harks back to the original SR series. The brushed metal finishes and blacked-out engine parts give it a premium, rugged appeal that will please both vintage lovers and new-age riders. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the SR 450 packs a newly tuned 445 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, delivering around 30 horsepower and solid low-end torque. The engine is mated to a smooth 5-speed gearbox, offering a relaxed yet responsive ride ideal for both city commutes and weekend cruises. Ride and handling. Built on a lightweight chassis with a low seat height, the SR 450 provides a comfortable upright riding position. The telescopic forks up front and twin rear shocks ensure a stable and plush ride. With its balanced weight distribution and nimble handling, it's an accessible bike for both beginners and experienced riders. Technology and features. Yamaha keeps things simple yet functional. The bike comes with a semi-digital instrument cluster, dual-channel ABS, LED lighting, and optional smartphone connectivity. It's a no-nonsense machine that prioritizes reliability and rider control over flashy tech. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha State Route 450 is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers classic style, modern reliability, and a comfortable ride. If you're looking for a retro-styled bike that's easy to live with, the SR 450 might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Star Biker for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.